Menteri Ubadai Kmi ia katanat transport uba senyo balangdar. Ulaong ba ka sorkar kadang Kmi alor ka hukum jong kayeng bishar Meghalaya High Court banwat ia kajaka na kabenta ka Greenfield Airport Project ka Batmai. Habakran bekilat tay kubor uba dhar ula pentib. Beladep ban penlong ru ia kajingelang do Menteri rangba ka Jalau Konrad Kiesangma ha katayo beladep banyakran halor kani kamat. Uni Menteri ula pentib ru ba ka sorkar kadang perkhat ru bahkan ya cakamat ha kaman penhe susu ya kakat lingsun ha umroy. Ula benrab ru ba un sa penlong ya kajinglet jurip sa sisien ya kakat lingsun ka barem dakiway pat kikunhun katanat. Andala yo ay kakaipot. Ka sorkar kan sale ay halor kani. Kaying bishar Meghalaya High Court kalabatai ka sorkar jala ban penyo ya kajaka na kabenta ban snai kakat lingsun Greenfield namar ba amla asu ban penhe bat ay jaka ya ki lingsun ki bahe akakat lingsun hasyalong.
This last week or so, it has been called by the Honorable Chief Minister, me myself, CM and an official. So we will take a call on that because High Court has said that, but we will see it from the government. Because huge amount of money to be involved is not so easy for us. So the matter is still under examination.
What will be the estimate?
We are still identifying how I'll tell the cost.
So if you go
Decision as of now. The matter is still under examination. Whether we'll go ahead or whether we will expand the old one.